Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video tutorial I will show you how to fix this video is unavailable error code 0 on YouTube. So if you are also coming through this error code, then go through this video and follow the methods one by one. So the first method is to check the server status of YouTube app. For that, your browser and then search for down detector website, and after that type YouTube, and there you can see if there is any downtime on YouTube. I have also provided the link in the descriptions. By pasting that link in the browser, you can directly go and check if there is any downtime. So if there is any downtime going on, simply wait for some time, and after that again try to launch the app and check if it's working. The next solution is to check your internet speed and data uses. So you should make sure that your internet connection is properly and stable. There is no fluctuations in the internet. So make sure that your internet supports the selected video resolution as well. If there is any kind of internet connection, simply restart your internet. Simply check your internet over here, and after that your internet is stable, and then try to launch the app and check if the error is fixed. Next is to clear YouTube app cache. For that, go to your browser. After that, click on settings, then click on privacy and security, and after that click on third party cookies, and then go below and click on see all site data and permissions. Here you need to search for YouTube, then simply click on delete icon over here, and then click on delete option. After doing this, now check if the error is resolved. If not, now the last option is to close the YouTube app and then restart your PC. For that, simply in whichever browser you have opened, simply click YouTube app, then click on Windows icon over here, and after that click on power and then select restart option. This will restart your system. After your system restarts, now try to log into YouTube app with your username and password, and then check if the error is fixed. So these few solutions are suggested to fix the YouTube error code 0. So I hope this will work for you. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.